Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, here is our weekly grocery haul. This week I shopped Walmart. I checked sales at Food Lion and Harris Teeter. There really wasn't anything that was standing out to me, or the sales that of things I wanted to buy, as well as we've talked about it before, Aldi is just not as cheap anymore as, you know, other places. And I can get everything I need at Walmart. So that's where I went. So starting us off, I got this big bag of tilapia fillets. I went to the doctor this past week, and I'm just going to be doing just trying to eat more of the fish. That's just my personal thing. She didn't tell me that. So I'm just going to try to eat as much healthiness as I can. So that's my thing, is just trying to use that fish. And I picked that up. That was $20 or $19.80 something. I picked up Country Crock plant butter. I also picked up regular butter. This was $4 something. So was this. I picked up this Morel Snowcap lard, and the reason I picked that up, there was $2 and some change each, is because they are continually talking about a butter shortage, and Jackson does a lot of baking, but lard can be subbed in for butter. So if he's gonna bake a lot, then we're going to have to make some substitutions, because this is cheaper. And I don't have to worry about if I can find lard. I can find that. And I'm not going to be going all over places looking for butter. So I picked those up just for the pantry. So these two things are for the pantry. I picked up some Moisture Last. This is for multi-purpose solution for contact lenses. I had an eye appointment this afternoon. And I've got my contacts in now. I haven't ordered them yet. I ordered my glasses. But I'm contemplating getting my prescription for my contacts. And then I picked up this little thing just to have a new one, because I haven't had one in a couple years. Because I haven't had contacts in a couple years, and it's like $1 and some change. I picked up whipped cream, Jackson made bagels. This was $2.12. I picked up a big thing of raisins, only because to buy the little packages, I would only get 12 ounces for $3 and some change. And for $3 and some change, I could get 20 ounces in this bin. So I got that. We needed body wash. So I picked up this sweet pea and violet. That was like $2.94. Picked up some apple cider vinegar. That was $2 and some change. Way cheap, way more expensive than normal. Picked up some of the Nashville hot style chicharrones. Sweet potatoes. They were $2.94, I think, for a 3-pound bag. Picked up some of these brown and served sausages, the Vermont maple. This is what they had. The Walmart brand, the round ones, which is about the same size, with about $4 more than those. So I just picked up those. I picked up 2 packages of the Red Hot Stars Red Hot sausages. They were $2 and some change each. I picked up 2 things of sliced cheddar cheese, $2.94 each, I believe. Picked up a thing of mayo, just needed that to make some, of course, my friend's coming Saturday, and she brings chicken, so we do chicken salads. So we'll have mayonnaise for that. Picked up an array of fruit, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, just so we would have some fruit in the house, and they were an array of prices. Picked up the carb counter wraps, because I want to do the sheet pan quesadillas. So I picked up those. Picked up some of the queso blanco. Tomorrow's Friday, so it'll be a great day to do sheet pan quesadillas, because we actually have quite a bit of running around. The kids have some appointments in the afternoon, and so this would be a great, just easy dinner. Put it on the sheet pan, leave it in the oven, let it do what it do. Picked up that queso, so that's $2 and some change. Jackson asked for teriyaki sauce. Could not find the Walmart brand, so I picked that one up. It's like $2.87. Picked up 4 things of the Margaret Home greens to replace some that we have used. $1.98, $1.94, one of the two. Picked up some ranch and some blue cheese dressing. They were $2.12 each. Ranch powder, $3.99. Jackson asked for some honey, so I picked that up. It was $2 and some change. I then got 5 bags of the Kaale rice. So I'm going to be doing a separate cook with me video of just doing some make ahead stuff that I can get done for myself, so that I always have food. I almost had a slip up today and went through the drive-through, but I did not. Fortunately, my sister was like, hey, eat some tuna salad. You know, she told me to go to Subway and get a tuna wrap. Well, I don't like wrap, so I just called the kids and said, hey, I'm on my way home. Can you make some tuna? Because I literally left my house at 6:15 this morning, and it's 9:30 p.m., and I'm just getting back. I had enough time to drop off the groceries and head to another thing that I had. So I picked up 5 bags of this Kaale rice. I'm going to be using that for recipe this week. Picked up some bananas. These were real cheap. I think this whole bunch was like 87 cents. Then we picked up some grapes and then some whole almonds because I don't have any almonds and I really do like to eat those. So this is the grocery haul. And I've also bought a pair of jeans that I needed. And so with everything, including the jeans, I paid $172 for this. So way over my $75 budget. It's like $197 more extra. But this will take us through the week. There was some non-food items in here. Of course, I got the pair of jeans. They were $19.50, which is why I shop at Goodwill, because I could have got 5 pairs of jeans for that price. The only thing about my Goodwill is they don't separate into sizes, and I don't have time to look through all of those like that. So that's why I picked those up, because I need them. So this is what I got. I will tell you very quickly. Again, we said sheet pan quesadillas we'll be using for this. I'll probably do these in like the date sauce. I'll just chop these up and I'll make them into little rounds, and we'll do those like that. Or we'll do them in the air fryer. This will be Kaale rice with some shaved beef. That has been going over very well, and it lasts me a couple of days as far as meals are concerned. We do have eggs, so we could do eggs and sausage. I'm gonna get some beef, and so we'll do sweet potatoes and beef, because I do like that. I may end up taking some of these and making some jams, but I plan to eat them just the way they are. Jackson will probably make some rolls or biscuits or something with this lard. And then, of course, we do have the tilapia, so we can do fish tacos if there are any of these left. We can do fish tacos. So just a couple of meal ideas with the beef and cauliflower. We can add in greens as well, and that would be another addition to some of the meals. Saturday is friends Saturday suppers. My friend will bring over she will bring over the chickens, and then of course we may have sweet potatoes. That's where we may do sweet potatoes with the chickens, and then maybe some greens or something. I'll find something else to do besides the sweet potatoes. And we're also having Friendsgiving come up, so I've got to sit down with you guys and talk about Friendsgiving. But anywho, there it is, you guys, our grocery haul for this week. This should last us a couple weeks. Some of these things will spread out a couple weeks. Some will be just for this week to be consumed. But anywho, there it is. I got to go take these contacts out because my eyes need a break. So I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.